Hi guys, I'm Carey of Templates by Carey, a shop full of easy to use Canva templates designed for female entrepreneurs to engage their audience. Today I'm introducing to you this 30-page Canva workbook and ebook template, which is a multi-purpose template that is perfect to help you end the time-consuming process of creating your graphics for your online course, your masterclass, webinar, or lead magnet from scratch. So this is an ebook and workbook template, and it's ideal for course creators and coaches who wants to engage their audience. With this template, you can create your worksheets, the checklist, the challenges, and it is easy to use for my basic to advanced Canva users. So it's easy to use and it's fully customizable. That's the cherry on top. It is fully customizable, which means you can change the colors, the fonts, the images. You can mix and match the colors and fonts to your own liking. This template also includes unique cover pages, welcome and about pages, ebook pages, workbook pages, section headers, question and answer sections, which is long form and short form questions, checklists, call to actions, and a bonus, which is a resource to stock images online. Watch me and learn how you can easily edit this template. The first thing I'm going to do here is to show you how you can easily drag and drop your own image. With Canva, it is loaded with thousands of images, right? Which means you can easily drag and drop stock images from Canva, or you could easily upload your own images on Canva and drag and drop them as you so desire. You can also change the color, and you can change the color to your own color palette for your brand. If you have no color in mind, you can choose a palette from Canva, which is absolute favorite that I love. You can also change the text. So you can easily change and include your workbook title name or your course book title name. You can also change the font type to your own liking again based on your brand. This template was so much fun creating and I hope you like it. If you're interested in this template, you definitely want to check it out at my template shop, which is templatesbycarey.com. You can visit the shop link where you can see so many more of my templates. And if you have any questions about this template or any other that you might see on my website, feel free to reach out to me by clicking the contact page on my website. Again, it's at templatesbycarey.com. I look forward to chatting with you.